In a groundbreaking move, Victory Securities in Hong Kong unveils fee proposals for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, marking a significant milestone post-regional approval. With primary market fees ranging from 0.5 to 1% and secondary market fees set at 0.15 to 0.25%, investors are buzzing with anticipation. What did Hong Kong do to Bitcoin? Stay tuned as this development unfolds. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So we're starting off with Bitcoin liquidation heat map, as we are looking into the next position that we are going for is $66,000 right here, a little bit below than that. We took the short positions over here on this 65,500 or 600 around this position, and now we're going for around the 66,000 position of shorts, and we'll be liquidating them. There's around like 600 million right there, and it's pretty close for us to get there. Bitcoin RSI, typical pattern at the timing of halving, still some way to go. Retirement wasn't a concept 200 years ago. A salary won't be a concept 100 years from now. Bitcoin, AI, and robotics will create a global abundance. And that's what we have in the future. What if Bitcoin has already revealed the top and bottom of its post-halving reaccumulation range? Then the prices within this range would be the best we will be able to get before Bitcoin is finally ready post-halving parabolic upside. Next up, if Warren Buffett was born today, he would have been a long-term Bitcoin hodler, and that's for sure. $1 billion worth of Bitcoin shorts about to be slaughtered at $73,000, and we are going to get them soon as we are growing slowly to that point. In the next 4 years, 657,000 new Bitcoin will be mined. In the last 3 months, the new 9 spot ETFs have bought 82% of that. The supply shock will come very soon. Next up is $100,000 price. We live in a very weird world. Values are being changed. The very fabric of the world is being changed to make you think that things which were not acceptable are now the norm. Bitcoin is the bastion, the North Star of stability that humanity is craving. It will lead us out of this forced turning period to a bright new future built on strength, stability, and like-minded values. Bitcoin funding rates are negative. This means the majority of the traders are short. This makes me so bullish. Also, this is not the time to get shaken out, as we are continuously growing and exploding. Bitcoin, this is the only graph you need to fully understand Bitcoin. All the info is here. All the behavior of Bitcoin is explained here, at least on the long term and medium range. So here we could see the long-term holders over here, hash rate time 12, so short-term holders is blue, so it's basically, where is blue? I didn't see it, so maybe this one, I don't know. Then we go for power law, the green one, active addresses, and the hash rate as well. So let's go for more. Oh, never mind, the long one is over here, the red one. Then the short-term holders are over here. These are the hashes over here, and we could also see the power law is actually the green one as well. So that's kind of all the information we got on today's on this one. So let's go to the next post. Next up we have is Victory Securities releases Hong Kong Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETF guide. Victory Securities in Hong Kong has revealed the fee proposals for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs following a regional approval of cryptocurrency ETF products. Primary market fees for these ETFs range from 0.5% to 1%, with a minimum charge to $850, while secondary market fees are 0.15 for online and 0.25 for telephone transactions. US asset managers charge similar fees for their Bitcoin ETFs, with some exceptions like the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which charges the 1.5%. Hong Kong-based Victory Securities recently revealed its fee proposals for Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded funds, shortly after regional authorities approved the trading of these cryptocurrency products. This move by Victory Securities comes amidst anticipation as the Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission has yet to announce a complete list of approved ETF issuers. According to a report translated and shared by blockchain reporter Colin Wu on April 20th, the fees for purchasing Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in the primary market would range between 0.5% and 1% of total transaction. With a baseline fee set at $850, this structure is also applicable to secondary market activities where the fees are lower, 0.15% for online and 0.25% for telephone transactions, providing options for various investor preferences. Fee comparison and the market response. Victory Securities' fee setup closely aligns with those implemented by the US asset managers for similar products. For example, Franklin Templeton has a notably lower fee of 0.19% for its spot Bitcoin ETF, while other ETFs fluctuate between 0.2% and 0.9%, and in contrast, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust charges a higher fee of 1.5%. The regulatory landscape in Hong Kong is evolving, as demonstrated on April 15th when Cointelegraph reported the region's approval of spot ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Following the US lead where spot Bitcoin ETFs have attracted significant capital, Hong Kong's actions are setting a new precedent for cryptocurrency investments in Asia. Regional impact and future developments. 3 offshore Chinese asset managers, including the Hong Kong units of Harvest Fund Management, Basera Asset Management, and China Asset Management, are poised to launch their Bitcoin and Ether ETFs. This development followed the SFC's recent approval of the 3 ETF providers, indicating a positive momentum within the sector. China AMC has been actively preparing for the launch of its ETFs, with OSL Digital Securities set to act as the custodian. Similarly, Harvest Global and Basera International have received the necessary regulatory green light but have not yet commenced their ETF offerings. Despite the excitement in Hong Kong, the broader Chinese market remains restrictive towards cryptocurrency trading following a severe crackdown in 2021. However, Hong Kong is progressively establishing itself as a regulated cryptocurrency hub, aiming to compete internationally with major financial centers like Dubai and Singapore. The territory strategy includes potentially opening the doors to mainland Chinese investors for cryptocurrency investments through these newly approved ETFs. The global financial community is closely watching Hong Kong's innovative steps in approving the first Ether ETF, despite the US Securities and Exchange Commission's reluctance to approve a similar product. Asset managers and investors are aligning their strategies with these developments, hoping to capitalize on the new opportunities presented by Hong Kong's evolving regulatory framework. As the crypto market continues to mature, the introduction of ETFs in Hong Kong is expected to bring more traditional investors into the fold, providing them a safer and regulated way to gain exposure to cryptocurrencies. With billions of dollars flowing into the spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US, Hong Kong's market could see a similar influx, permanently reshaping investments in the region. So looking at the price right now, we are dropping a little bit, but soon we'll recover. We're around the $65,000 position range, and we are going for 66,000 to liquidate more money, and then we're going for the 68, 69,000, 70, 71, and hopefully 72, 73 to liquidate around the $2 billion that are stacked right there. That's all the information. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.